What's up, Blue Chips? 2 trades today, one on CIEN and one on ENPH. Let's get to it. Traders, real quick before I show you the 2 live trades, I just wanted to let you know we had a bunch of technical difficulties, and it kind of threw me off my game this morning. We were setting up the live stream. We couldn't figure out what was going on with YouTube. I ultimately just figured it out about 10 minutes ago that there was something. It was either a bad cookie or I cleared the cookies and the cache, and now everything seems to work fine. I was having problems staying signed in. I couldn't get the stream to run correctly, and it was kind of throwing me off. I was dealing with that until the bell rang, so it kind of threw me off my game, and it kind of played through into my trading, as you guys could see if you were watching the live stream this morning. Also, with that said, there's not going to be a live stream tonight. My wife's annual Christmas party is tonight, so I'm going to miss the Friday night live stream. That's all I got for you. So here's the live trades. We're going to start this 92. I took half size. Just feel like we're going to get a little bit of a pullback here before we try. Before we try 44. Definitely not going to let it go against us, though. And I don't like how it's just kind of bouncing there. I'm probably wrong there, but I don't know. I'm just not feeling that. I'm just gonna... Whoops. I hit that at the wrong time, huh? I felt like it was kind of top in there. Like we were going to get a little bit of a rejection off of yesterday's high. Should have looked at the daily. Actually, not too bad. Just looking, got a nice extension away here. We're just looking for maybe back down there towards 25. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And there we go. All right, so we're out. Might get a little bit bigger of a drop, but it did form a little bit of a stoppage there around that 20-cent area, so I was kind of figuring it might get a quick drop to there as a pullback and then look to continue. So that was the idea behind that trade. All right, traders, that was my 2 trades, one on CIEN and one on ENPH. Real quick, CIEN. This was really just looking to get in before the whole dollar of 44 if it wanted to reject, which it did. We ended up getting our entry there at 43.92. We were very impatient with it. I don't know what was going on this morning. We would almost never take this cover for real. If we were going to stop out, we would have looked to stop out through 44, looking for it to continue. But for some reason we did. I have no idea why. Like I said, just off my game today. Switching over real quick to ENPH, kind of the same thing. This was more of our edge. As you can see, previous resistance here down towards the whole $1.25. We broke through, got a nice little push up there into the 30s. We took our entry at 25.30, and it kind of chopped around here trying to get through 50. We actually started with half size again. Actually, no, we started with full size here because we were looking for the pullback before it got down to 50, or back up to 50, I should say. And eventually we got it, and it was pretty much a bottom tick. It kind of felt like it wasn't done, which is, we were essentially right in the moment, but we probably should have took half there and then looked to cover the other half if it did want to go through 50, and then we would have caught this bigger move down. But again, just was completely off my game, and right when we took this trade, we knew it was getting closer when we had to get off anyway, so that kind of played into it as well. So to really catch this move, it would have been into the appointment because she was on time today at 10:15, so it actually worked out perfect because once I ended the stream this morning, she was pulling up outside. So just going to take it. It's a green day. It's not a great green day. Ended up with $10, 4 tickets, so it'll be green. Let's go ahead and actually go through and put this into our handy-dandy journal real quick. Today is the 13th. Pull it up over here, drag it over, add trade, go to the dashboard, add trade, add trade. Maybe I have to refresh because it was just kind of sitting here. Yep, logged me out. I cleared all my cookies and stuff, so that's probably why I was doing that. 13th, trades, 13, import, 2 trades successfully. Perfect. As you can see, it's nice and easy. Go in here real quick. We'll add our commissions. It's a little frustrating this morning, but we're going to be we're going to realize that we were out of it, and we're going to be happy. We're going to move on into the weekend and just accept it, right? 2 green trades, nothing major, but they weren't red trades. Our first red trade was yesterday, and it kind of felt good to kind of have a red trade, to be honest. And it was on a mistake too, which makes me feel even better, knowing if I would have just followed my rules, this trade would have never happened in the first place. We're just going to move on, guys. So like and subscribe if you haven't already. Always appreciate that support. We're still climbing. Hopefully we can get to 1,000 by the end of the month. And if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and have a great weekend. Peace.